Hello guys, in this lecture we can learn LangServe. Okay, so what is LangServe and different things. Okay, so here you can see what is LangServe. What does LangServe do? LangServe help developer deploy a LangChain runnable and chain as a REST API. Okay, this library is integrated with the Fast API and uses Pydantic for data validation. Okay, so this library is integrated with Fast API. Okay. So in addition, it provide a client that can be used to call into a runnable deployed on a server, and JavaScript client is available in LangChain. Okay. So here we can also see what is LangSmith and LangServe. Okay. So LangServe is a deployment tool especially designed for serving NLP models and workflow in production environment. With LangServe, you can deploy at scale efficiently deploy model to handle high volume of requests, ensuring robust and scalable NLP application. We can also check Greek for Greek. LangServe. LangServe is a deployment tool especially designed for serving NLP models and workflow in production environment. With LangServe, you can deploy at a scale efficiently deploy model to handle high volume of requests, ensuring robust and scalable NLP application. Okay, like we can deploy our project with with fast API in API format. Like if you have one server and you want to use in client side. Okay, so in server, like if you have two files, server.py and client.py. In server.py, for you can write your code for API, and client.py you can write your code for access this API and use in a UI side code. Okay, so here you can see. I need to back. I need to go back. So here you can see LangServer is a deployment tool especially designed for serving NLP model and workflow in production environment. With LangServer, you can deploy at a scale efficiently deploy model to handle high volume request. What blah 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 blah. So here this is the LangChain document, and we have LangServer there, here, there, whatever. So you can see LangGraph platform migration guide here. This is the GitHub code for LangGraph. Okay. So here you can see this is the features of LangGraph compatibility limitations, security installation. How you will install LangGraph? So you can use this command pip install LangServe. Okay. So this is for LangServe, not for LangGraph. You need to install pip installation LangGraph, and after that create new app using LangChain CLI. Define runnable and add. So here you can see this is the code for by using LangServe. Okay, you need to import this one from LangServe, import add route. Okay, and here you need to run this one from FastAPI, import FastAPI. Okay, and these are the from LangChain from dot import. We already learned this things. Okay, from LangChain dot chat model import chat entropic. They are going to use chat entropic model, and this is the chat. This is for OpenAI API. Okay, so here this is the fast API instance, app title, version, and description. Okay, this is the routes, app, model name, which kind of model you want to use, and this is the path. Okay, now again this is the route, app, chat, and topic, because we are going to use here two models, one OpenAI, one from OpenAI, Okay, this one, and this is for chat Anthropic from Anthropic API. So here that's why we have two routes. Okay, and one instance. And this is the model we are going to create an object model, and this is for chat Anthropic model cloudy. Okay, and this is the prompt, and again add route, and here they are going to create port and host that we can run our API, and we can I mean anybody can use, like Postman also can use this API, and we can get response there on Postman, and we can also hit this on browser and we get response, or we can integrate it with some UI like React or some Streamlit, any of one. So here this is our server side code in backend. In backend we will run this thing. Okay, okay, so here you can see this is for client side. Okay, like I mean previous one is for server for server, and this is for client. Okay, so we can access endpoint. This is for OpenAI API, and this is for Anthropic, and this is for jokes. Okay, so here joke chain dot invoke. Okay, so we are created chain topic parrot. Okay, then then after that here they are using prompt template. So in system message, and they are using human message and system message, and they provide in system message content act like either cat or parrot. Okay, so and human message and content hello. Okay, so this is for support I mean this is for stream. Okay, tell me a long story about topic. This is for chain. Okay, here we connect something or like prompt and runnable map by using pipe operator. So here these are the variables, and in this variable we assign these values. Okay, and chain wedge, these are the things. Okay, so in next video we are going to do some code on server.py and I mean client.py. Okay, so what's going on server side and what's going on client side, so we can uh, write code there, and we will see what's going on. Okay, so I think guys you got it, and if you like my video, please do share, subscribe. Bye bye.